There, that's good. Hi guys! I'm back with another mukbang or whatever. Today we are eating Cane's sisters. That was awkward. So what I got today was the box combo. I'll give you guys an unboxing. It looks delicious, oh, that's you guys. So well, we have a lot to discuss in this mukbang. I'm so excited to be eating Cane's today. Cane's is delicious, and it's delicious, trust me. I'm here today with Jocelyn, my sister.
Like we don't already
I know, like we don't already make all my subscribers are your friends. That's awesome, to be quite honest with you guys. What you do is you get the french fry and you dip it. I'm modeling for you guys how to dip your french fries. And then Cane's gives you this beautiful, delicious sauce. It is authentic. And here's my chicken strip. These are really calientes. And Nikita Dragon. What's this? You gotta change it up. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to country boy. Womp womp womp. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's probably put that down. We don't want to get womp womp womped. You guys?
Motherfucking.
Dude, my channel is
family friendly.
Woohoo! Y'all don't even know what the dealio is. So I'm watching it that name. In case y'all wanted to know or what.
Channel.
I'm joking.
I'm ready to see all my boyfriends. I miss Rihanna.
Did you guys hear Justin Bieber's making a new album? Who's excited? This chicken is.
I'm a baboon, like a man.
I feel like Lil Dicky is super underrated.
Rapper.
Go check out his new video, link in bio. We're trying to save the earth, yeah. We probably shouldn't be saying that because we're eating chickens right now.
So?
They are for a great cause.
Thank you, chickens. Hey, I was just thinking.
You think you're really pretty?
Ew. Really pretty. One swipe of a duck mark.
That was super funny.
Since last time you saw us, we got a haircut.
I'm not showing y'all my haircut, so.
Oh.
Dude, don't.
I mean, not that I don't mind.
I know your daddy didn't like me much. To be quite honest, I don't know. Anyway, I'm so excited to get out of school.
Oh, what are you selling me?
I can't hear y'all.
Fuck, stupid.
Bruh.
Has this ever happened to you guys? Where you just keep saying like, huh, to a person because you can't hear them? But
and then you give up.
And then you give up, and then you just go like,
yeah. That happens to me all the time. I do that to you all the time.
You're I know you don't even pay attention to what I tell you, but
I don't actually. Last night, I texted Jocelyn, my sister, Jocelyn. Anyway, I texted her and I was like, hey, come to my room, hurry. And then I put ... And then she came in and I said, turn off my light.
You literally said, I think I'm dying.
Well, you're annoying as hell, dude.
Don't do that.
Try to fist your whole fist in there. Never mind. I'm so so full. Ask me why.
Don't hate me.
Then ask me why. Oh my god.
Why?
That was chunky.
A lot.
Jocelyn, turn that up right now. Miss Keisha. Oh, she fucking did. Okay, anyway, we forgot to film an outro, so bye.
Bye.